Good morning, all. Today we will move to the next topic, plants which hunt. There are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects, and even mice. The pitcher plant is such a plant. It is found in Australia, Indonesia, and Meghalaya in India. It has a pitcher like shape and the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. When the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. As we know, different groups can plant different kinds of seeds. How many types of seeds can you collect? Where will you find them? Each of you should try to collect as many different types of seeds as you can. After that, make a seed chart including name of the seed, color, shape, and texture. Okay, let's see how seeds travel and reach different places. As you know, plants cannot move around. Once they grow, they remain in the same place. But their seeds are great travelers. Seeds are spread by birds, air, animals, and water. Now, look at the pictures given below and guess how the seeds travel and reach different places. Sometimes, many animals eat the fruit and throw the seed, by which the seeds reach different places. Some seeds are very less weighted, so they coming by air to another place. Some seeds stick into the fur of animals. In this way, they get a free ride. Sometimes seed is floating on water, by which seeds reach far off places. Children, we also carrying seeds to one place to another place, knowingly or unknowingly. Later, the seeds of these plants grows in other places. Children, all the vegetables which are now in our kitchen. Do you know from where vegetables came to our country? We bring the seeds of plants that we find beautiful or useful to grow them in our garden. Later, the seeds of these plants spread to other places. Many years later, people may not even remember that these plants did not grow here earlier. They were brought from somewhere else. These were brought to India by traders coming from South Africa. Today, we can't think of food without chilies. Let's know which plant came from where. Through this poem, did you know this? From South America, long ago, came a tomato, a potato, a green chili. Do you know this? A cabbage came from Europe and also a pea. From Africa came a coffee bean and a green bindi. They crossed the land, they crossed the sea. Did you know this? A mango sang, come in, an orange smile inside its skin. Welcome to India, a banana sir, the methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded sir. Did you know this? Children, you have to find out. First one, what all was grown in India long ago? Second one, were mangoes and bananas grown here? And third one, what came from other countries? So, that's all for today. Thank you.